wife keeps asking when the beekeeping season's over. It's like 30 degrees right now, and it's freezing cold outside, and it's snowing, and I'm still doing bee stuff. I think it'll be over never is the right answer, because there always seems to be something to do. But today we've got to deal with the colonies over here and finish weights and pushing them together. Putting up a windbreak because we got a pretty swift wind that comes through right into the entrances of the colonies from the road. So I don't really give two rips about the windbreak, but we're gonna put one up anyways and get some final hive weights and get everybody in their winter configuration. I'll show you what I do over here with my colonies. Also want to see what the weights are from the last time I weighed them to see how many stores they've used since August, when I last did weights. Came over here last night and brought all the hives together and organized them after having them all scattered around this entire mating yard here. will make it easier for them to retain heat with each other and share heat when I get the insulation and reflectix on. These 3 are going to receive a hive hugger. I'm going to put a hive hugger on each one of these. These will get the foam boards on the outside, reflectix in between each box. But I'm going to take a couple of thermal images here so I can have initial readings on cluster sizes to compare with the weights and kind of track how well they do. Get some information on the particular colony strengths and weaknesses, and use it to improve the stock in the area. That's the plan anyway.